cozy coupe. You do it like it's never been done. Cozy, 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 cozy coupe. I'm ready for rolling into fun. My cozy coupe. Cozy coupe is on the way, on the way. There's a market here today, here today. Hey, let's go. Oh, there's a cozy scarecrow. Cozy coupe is on the way, so let's play. Go Green has dropped some broccoli that belongs on the stall. Where are the other vegetables? There's nothing here at all. Now Go Green's looking pretty sad, but Cozy has a plan. Drive back to where the veggies grow and pick all that you can. Cozy coupe is on the way, on the way. There's a market here today, here today. There was sweet corn here and now it's disappeared. Cozy coupe investigate right away. The dirt diggers, we should have guessed, digging just like moles. Cozy, catch them, but be quick, they're hiding in the holes. Remember what you saw before, it might just work, you know. Go Green and Cozy start to build a cozy coupe scarecrow. Cozy coupe is on the way, to scare the dirt diggers away, way away. It's a crazy chase to find a secret place. Cozy coupe is on the way, on the way. Cozy coupe is on the way, to save the market stalls today. Shout hooray! With a carrot on